Jonathan Kane for Finextra at Cybos, and I'm here at the Deutsche Bank stand with Matthew Png of United Overseas Bank and Werner Steinmüller of Deutsche Bank. The two parties have just extended their relationship for cash clearing of derivatives trading on Eurex. Matthew, can you tell me briefly, what does your Eurex clearing membership bring to your customers?
All right, I think for the Eurex clearing membership, it's very significant for our business. As you know, I think before the Lehman crisis, this industry is dominated mainly by the European and the international, or US, what we call the international broking firm. Now, UOB, I joined UOB about 4 years ago. When I took over the position as the head of Group Bullion Brokerage Clearing, I asked myself how I'm going to reposition UOB to be able to capture the change of the landscape, where we see the growth of the Asian customer, we see the growth of China in this region. So I think the Eurex clearing membership definitely is one of the very unique membership that we can acquire that put us in a very unique position. Now look at it. Now we are the only Asia bank able to clear Eurex product, which means that in this time zone, all our customers in Asia Pacific, when they look at they need the clearing access over in Eurex, then now they can have an option of looking at UOB instead of they have to look at the US and Europe broker. Now, what do we actually offer? It's the same time zone. We understand their culture as an Asia bank, so I think that definitely comfort them.
And what are the things you look for in a clearing partner?
I think for a clearing partner, it's important because like we are an Asia bank, we do not have a strong foothold over in Europe. So it's definitely important for us to look at a strong partner in order to provide us with cross-border clearing settlement services. Now Deutsche, obviously, I think is in the right name and it's the right partnership that we're working with. So definitely, I think when we look at this, when we look at our partner, we look at the bank name, Deutsche came in.
And how does this benefit your business and your customers from extending this relationship with Deutsche Bank?
So with this, which means that at the local bank now, and with the partnership with Deutsche, with the cross-border settlement services they provided, we can now provide the same service to our customers in Asia Pacific. So this is definitely very significant to us for our business growth moving forward.
Werner, can you tell me, was this extension of the relationship straightforward for you and for UOB?
A relationship needs time and has to be developed. So we cooperate already pretty much on the cross-border cash clearing for US dollar and euro. And this was an extension of our relationship. Specifically, the idea that UOB is entering Eurex clearing with derivatives. And derivatives also need for cash clearing side was a well fit. We as a strong European bank and UOB as a very strong Singaporean bank with Asian connections. This will really further strengthen our relationship.
Do you think there'll be more demand in Asia Pacific for cash clearing derivatives in Europe?
First of all, we have to look to the underlying transaction. I think Eurex is expanding more and more. And it's good that Asian banks have straight access on a security side, on derivative side. But I also know Eurex is expanding and having more and more connectivity with Asian. A good portfolio manager is mixing his portfolio, so I think the more wealth we have in Asia, also the demand for derivatives and securities is increasing. So I'm pretty seriously see good chances for further development, and you always need cash attached to it, so business comes automatically.